KTAuthentics Sports Memorabilia and Cards. Lisu. It's going to do a jumbo and a hobby. We'll start with the hobby. Start with the hobby. Good luck, Lisa. Thanks again. Appreciate it. Oilers up. Nice. Shock the world. Did Connor score? How's Connor playing? Because that's all that really matters. How's Connor playing? That's not good. Sorry about that. Good luck, Lisa. Sean Reed Foley, Duke Snyder. Lisa, do you want your paper? Orange for the Giants. Little PC. Aramis Garcia out of 22. Aramis Garcia out of 25. Alright, cool. Out of 25. Bregman. Reyes. Out of 4. Oh, no, that should have been. And Jumbo, that would have been. Out of 4.99. Brewers. Pipeline. Well, yeah. Out of 4.99, 42 of 4.99. Lucas Ursig. Potato. Chrome. Glasnow. That is orange, 11 of 25. Talent Pipeline. Justin Dunn, Ahmed Rosario, and Brandon Nimmo. 2 oranges, 1 box. Two oranges, 1 box. Purple Auto, Luis Carpio. Purple Auto, 35 of 250. Edgar Martinez. Theus. Seeing things now. Rizzo. Hank Aaron. Come on, one more color. Phillies Pipeline. Blue Franklin Barreto. 88 of 150. Barreto blue paper. And nice, Chris Sale. Dominant Chris Sale. 12 of 50. Gold paper. Three, 2 now. There's Benintendi. Gaddis. And fake blue, Tyler Stevenson. 70th. I'm just going to call them fake blues and fake reds all the time. All the time. Alright, Lisa, that was your hobby box. That was your hobby box. Box 4 of Jumbo. Good luck. I'm talking about the Jumbo that's open that Lisa's doing boxes from, Walter. Gleiber Gold. Ducks scored 3-2. Boo Ducks. Well, from what we've seen, yeah. 2 of our Jumbo cases were really, really good. It's 3-3 now? Jeez. What are the Oilers doing with their lives? All right. Purple Senzatella out of 250. Sandy and Donnie DeWeese, 70th blue. Sean Newcomb. Out of 499, Robert Gzelman. Matt Chapman, purple out of 250, chrome. We not hit an auto on that side? Yoan Moncada. And our first auto is Taylor Clark, base. Taylor Clark, base auto. The Diamondbacks. Only go from there. Orlando Arcia, King Griffey Jr. Soto, Snyder. Maiton refractor at a $4.99 and blue ink. Wow, got the purple, now you have the blue. Guess you got to build the rainbow, Lisa. 68 of 150. Luis Carpio. Build the rainbow. 88 of 150. Austin Meadows, DeVeers. David Dahl and Angel Perdomo. Base. Angel Perdomo base. Lisa, thank you very much. Appreciate it. Let me know if you're going to do any more, Lisa, or if you're done.